Hey everybody, so as you might have seen in one of my last videos, I picked up a couple MAB Model Ds. That's that French 32 ACP pistol. Of course, I got those from Hunter's Lodge. They're missing quite a few parts. But then I also picked up a Smith Wesson Model 10-5 from Royal Tiger Imports. If you remember, the grips are were pretty rough on this. So I went out to Apex Gun Parts, decided to, all right, so I need new grips for this, I need new grips for this, and lo and behold, Apex came through. So they had these, they were the MAB Model D grips in very good condition for roughly 30 bucks a piece. The halves, kind of expensive, but these are originals. Additionally, they had some Smith & Wesson square butt K-frame grips as well. So I wanted to pick up a set of them for this 10-5. They were 35 bucks a piece. Just wanted to lay out the pricing for you guys. As far as I know, they still have those kind of parts in stock. But without further ado, oh, and by the way, these are unloaded. I don't show any guns at the table that are loaded. But by way of introduction, just want to show you guys those, and now we're going to get off into the parts. So we're going to check out what I got from Apex. We're going to see the condition of those grip halves for that MAB Model D, as well as those K-frame grips for that 10-5. I'm very curious to see what these look like. I don't have a clue. Sometimes I get some really nice stuff from them, sometimes not so nice. It just all depends, really. There's also been times I've gotten the wrong parts. But let's check out and see what we got. Maybe something pretty nice. I hope so. Regardless of the condition of these MAB D grips, as long as they're not completely broken, I'm still likely going to be using them. Oh wow, I really screwed up. Well, this is interesting. Apparently, these were sold by the set. Oh, that's rather entertaining. I didn't realize that. Huh. Well, that's kind of comical. Well, that'd be my bad. Well, that's funny. This one has a crack in the bottom, so it's not going to be really usable in my opinion unless it's repaired somehow. They are quite dirty, as you can tell, but this side looks good. Well, maybe out of the four I've got two good sets, I don't know. I know these things tend to warp really bad once you take them out. This one looks good. This one looks good, just really dirty but no cracking. I don't know how well that focuses or how well you guys can see it. I may have to insert pictures. That's definitely a good set there. Gosh, I can't believe I bought 4 sets. I thought I was buying them by the halves. I don't know what I was thinking. Sometimes when I place these orders, it's really late at night and I'm sleep deprived and everything else, and you know, it happens. This set looks really good, actually. Both halves really nice and pronounced. And that's a keeper set right there, for sure. Let's take and put that one back in the bag. I'm definitely going to be putting that one on this MAB Model D. Let's check out this last set. Quite dirty. Of course, see, this is what I'm talking about. These things want to warp pretty badly. And this one is actually warped pretty badly. If you guys have any idea on how you can fix these, because I believe these might be Bakelite. Sort of feels that way. If you guys see, this is what I'm talking about. So if you guys have any recommendations on how to fix this warpage, let me know. I'm all ears because I don't know, and that's a shame because that's a good looking grip otherwise. Cannot believe I bought 4 sets. Wow. You know, sometimes you're an idiot, I guess. Oh well. Let's check out these Smith & Wesson grips. Square butt K-frame grips. I didn't mess up and buy more than 1 set on this. So these, although it looks like they might have some tape on them at some point, look pretty decent. Of course, they are kind of dinged up and everything. The checkering is not very deep. However, the grips themselves look pretty good. I think those will work just fine for this 10-5 because my 10-5 has got some pretty rough looking grips. And these look quite a bit nicer. Now, there's not anything necessarily wrong with these 10-5 grips. You can just tell that they're very well worn. I may try to clean these up. I don't know. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do yet. May try to steam out some of these indentions. But I do have a set of spare grips if I decide to swap these out. So, just to give you guys an idea, so 2 of these sets of grips I think are usable. One is warped, one has a crack at the screw hole. Doesn't mean it's not usable. These warped ones, I just got to figure out how to get them shaped right. Don't really know how I'm going to do that. Oh, these are the warped ones. But it is what it is. I bought 2 sets too many, but it might be to my benefit because I have 2 usable sets for sure and 2 possibly serviceable sets that can still be used, just not the prettiest. And I mean, quite honestly, when you look at these MABs, I mean, they're not the best looking, pretty well worn, a little bit of pitting, but doesn't mean that it's not going to work. And matter of fact, the older kind of worn out grips probably are going to look a lot better on it, to be honest. But anyway, just wanted to share this with you guys. So if you're looking for any MAB-D grips, Apex has them. Buyer beware. Crack, warp, 2 decent ones, 2 decent sets. So just want to let you guys know my experience so you can make an informed decision as always, because nothing stinks more than making a decision not knowing what in the world you're going to get. But anyway, just wanted to share that with you guys. As always, much more content on the way. I want to thank you guys. Thank you to my subscribers. Thank you guys for all your likes, your shares, your comments. Be sure to hit the bell notification if you want to be made aware when I put videos like this out there, whether it be deals, whether it be unboxings, whether it be restorations, or just some general news. So thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, y'all have a great day.